Hi, this is Ron Nutter, and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter. This time we're going to be talking about the EBL LCD battery smart charger and 3 things you need to know about it. Number 1, and I can't really show it to you because I don't have power into this part of the area, but it will give you an individual readout for each battery that's here. That's nice to have. That way, if you've got a whole slew of batteries and maybe only one charger, you know when one battery can be taken out and slip another one in and it doesn't mess up the others. Thing number 2, because it's nice to be able to replace individual batteries without having to disturb it, and you know exactly when it's gone full. Now, thing number 3, it charges AA and AAA batteries. And that's all this one charger does. So it's going to be compact. It doesn't have to drive a whole lot of things like C and D and 9 volt, because you may not be taking 9 volt stuff with you. Thing number 4, and this is the bonus item, this is a great travel charger because it has the prongs built into the back here. So you don't have to worry about them tearing into something or it falling off the counter because made it teeter-totter just a little bit. You just flip it in. That's it. So that's handy to have when traveling, or if you're trying to have an everyday carry bag with you that's got things that you may need to have. You don't have to worry about this possibly tearing into something. So take a look at this one, and there's the information on it, and think about getting one for yourself today.